I'm sorry everyone that tuned in and hoped for more travel-related content. Traveling is done. The next travel will be in July, and until then it's back to regular life. And I can't say that I'm mad about it because, yeah, you might be able to hear it. I'm down with a third cold this year and I usually never get sick, so I think my body's trying to tell me something, and he's trying to tell me that with this big zit on my forehead. Like, what am I, 13 and a teenager that I get zits on my forehead? Yeah, whatever. I definitely need to step back, sleep more, eat more vegetables, and focus on skincare and do something with my hair, which definitely needs some love, and probably take care of my nails because they are bare and they are ripped and my cuticles are dry, and yeah, I just think I need a whole makeover. So that's what this week is going to be about. I got some new things that I quickly wanted to show you. And they sent me these two items, and they are body butter with this Deauville Lumière and the matching perfume, Floramar Deauville Lumière Eau de Parfum. The perfume is flowery, sweet, warm, powdery, and it features peach, rose, freesia, tonka bean, vanilla, patchouli. Let's see. Definitely warm, a little too sweet I think for my taste. And this is the corresponding body butter. And this is with shea butter, so oh yeah, feels really, really nice. It has the same scent, and it's, yeah, shea butter, vitamin E, and I think apricot oil. And inside as well was this one. This is the Skin Energizer, and it's a serum. This is what I actually asked for. It comes in a dropper bottle. I mean, if you can see it here. And it contains a blend of antioxidants, minerals, hyaluronic acid, oils and caffeine to actually energize the skin and, yeah, plump it and awaken it, which is exactly what I need right now.